If you want to edit your CapCut project more professionally, one of the most useful tools you can learn is how to add an adjustment layer. An adjustment layer lets you apply effects, color changes, and corrections to multiple clips at once, instead of editing every video separately. That saves time, keeps your workflow clean, and makes your edits much easier to manage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add an adjustment layer in CapCut step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and look at the top left section of your screen. This is where you'll find the main media and editing options. From here, click on the Adjustment tab. Once you select it, CapCut will show you the available adjustment options, including Custom Adjustment. Now look for the Custom Adjustment layer. To add it to your project, you can either click the plus button or simply drag it onto the track above your video footage. This is important because the adjustment layer needs to sit above the clips you want to affect. Once it's on the timeline, you'll see it appear as a block across the top track. At this point, you can change its duration so it matches the footage underneath it. To do that, click on the outer edge of the adjustment block and drag it left or right until it covers the section of video you want to edit. If your adjustment layer is too short, the effect will only apply to part of your clip. If it's too long, it may affect other clips below it as well. So make sure the length lines up properly with your timeline. Now that the adjustment layer is in place, click on it to select it. Then go over to the right-hand panel, where CapCut gives you the editing controls for that layer. This is where the real power comes in. You can adjust settings like basic exposure, HSL, or curves, depending on the look you want to create. For example, if you want to brighten your video, you can increase exposure. If you want more control over color, you can use HSL to fine-tune specific tones. And if you want a more cinematic look, curves can help you shape the contrast and overall mood of your footage. The great thing about using an adjustment layer is that all of these changes apply to every clip underneath it. That means you can create a consistent look across your entire sequence without editing each clip one by one. It's perfect for color grading, quick corrections, and keeping your project organized. If you ever want to change the style later, you only need to edit the adjustment layer instead of going back through every individual clip. That's what makes this tool so useful for beginners and advanced editors alike. So to quickly recap, open the Adjustment tab, add Custom Adjustment to the timeline, stretch it to match your clips, and then use the right-hand panel to apply your edits. Once you get used to this workflow, it becomes one of the fastest ways to improve your videos in CapCut. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.